Hello everyone. I have been recently selected for the fellowship program at Alpha AI. For week 0, I was given an assignment of creating a dashboard using Microsoft Excel. Yes, you heard me right, using Microsoft Excel. Even I was surprised when I heard it for the first time. Today I'm going to show you how did I make an interactive dashboard using Microsoft Excel and what data did I use and what do we infer from the visualization. So we had to use sports data set. So my favorite sports has always been MMA fighting and anything related to wrestling. So I went ahead and I scrapped the data of the two best fighters of UFC who are Conor McGregor and Khabib Nurmagomedov. Right? Now let's look at the stat of these two data and players. Conor McGregor is known as a notorious MMA. He is among the most decorated stars in the combat sports. When you look at the professional record of Conor McGregor, you will see that out of 26 matches, he has won 22 matches, and most of his matches he has won through knockouts, and he's also suffered 4 losses. Right? Let's look at the plots of the number of strikes of Conor McGregor through the past couple of years and the average time taken by him each year to completely defeat his opponent. Right? So the number of strikes, the plot shows that it's quite inconsistent over the past years because the reason for that is Connor generally takes less than 1.5 minutes to completely defeat his opponents, right? Thus, he is not getting enough time to actually deliver so many strikes to the opponent because he generally wins the matches through takedowns and knockouts, right? Now, let's compare the data of Connor with Khabib's. Khabib Nurmagomedov is known as the Eagle and he's the most dominant champion in the history of UFC. And why do we say that? We say that because this young man has actually fought 29 matches and he has not lost a single one. This man literally does not know what is defeat in his career, right? When you compare his number of strikes in time with Conor McGregor's, then you will see that Khabib is having actually phenomenally number of strikes. So, and for the reason for that is because Khabib generally takes more than 1.5 minutes to completely finish off his opponent, right? There are even many matches were there when he even had to fight for entire 5 minutes to actually finish off the opponent, right? Definitely, he's having a better time advantage, which he's using to deliver more strikes to the opponent, and that is why his number of strikes are higher, right? Now, we have seen the two data of the two individual opponents, right? Now let's now comes the main question: who is the best UFC fighter? hmm So on the paper, we would say that the Khabib is definitely the clear winner over here because he's having more number of winning records. He's having more number of strikes when compared to Conor McGregor, and between a match between both of them, Khabib has actually won and defeated Conor. Right? So Khabib is the actual winner, but when it comes to my personal opinion, I have always been a fan of Conor McGregor, and he is the most favorite UFC fighter for me. So that's not going to change anytime soon. I would like to thank Saurabh sir and Preksha ma'am for giving me this wonderful opportunity. And if you like my dashboard, then stay tuned because for the coming couple of weeks, I will be uploading more of these. So thank you everyone for watching it. Have a good day. Bye bye.